Hello guys, this is Blue electronic cigarette. It's a vaping device. It's meant to be a substitute for people that cannot quit smoking, or they just like nicotine or the smell of it. So let's get on with it and see what's inside of it. I suppose this is a pretty simple device. It has a battery, pressure switch, and then heating element that heats up the liquid, and which becomes evaporated, and then you inhale it. This is one of those disposable ones, but I get the sneaky feeling that they're using lithium-ion batteries that are just declared as disposable ones. Actually, they're rechargeable ones, but we're gonna see. So it's giving me a lot of resistance. I thought this will peel much faster. Needs a little persuasion, that's what it is. I'm just gonna go all the way, loosen it up a bit, and I hope then I'll be able to peel it off completely. Let's see. Still fighting. Okay. All right. That's some adhesive material. Whoa. It's giving me a lot of. All right. So this is a top. Okay. I just. This was not going well. Well, just gonna go all the way around it afterwards. I'm gonna make some. Yep. So these are the moments when I wish I didn't clip my nails. You know, whenever I'm dealing with stuff that need disassembling or something, I always find out that having longer, not long nails, but a little bit longer than what's considered a regular is really good for this stuff, because when it comes to men, we tend to have like stronger nails that we can use like tools, and these are the moments when I wish I didn't clip them. Some people like to keep one nail longer, just to use as a Swiss Army knife. I think that's a personal preference. Oh yeah, this is some adhesive. Oh man, it fights a lot. Well, at least I can give them points for having a really good build quality. That's not an issue for sure. All right. Okay. Okay. So, whoa. And even when you let it go, oh man. Whoa. Well, Whoa. Yeah. Okay. So I'm thinking this actually might be aluminum cylinder. Oh yeah. So yeah, some of these are when you peel the wrap that's around it, they just disassemble so easy, but I'm guessing it's not the case with this one. As we can see, oh man, yeah. Whoa. So I'm guessing this was useless. So yeah, I'm probably gonna need a knife to take this part out. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna be using a classic steak knife because if I try to use a utility knife or something, I know they're really very sharp, so I might end up with a cut, and these are a little more forgiving. Whoa. So that's not going anywhere. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to destroy this part anyway, so. I was hoping it's gonna pop right off. That did not happen. No. So I'm in a bit of dilemma. So I can see LED and leads. So I suppose this is a pressure sensor. So when you inhale it, it lights up. But I have no idea. So I'm gonna try to use my screwdriver, take it out. Maybe we'll have some more luck with it. Alright, some more tools over here. So, oh, this is too big. Now that ended up, yeah. This is really good build quality. They didn't joke around. And they were not expecting somebody to try to and open it up. Need some more tools. Okay, so this hole is probably too small. All right, something's happening. Oh man. Okay. I think I loosened it up. All right. Okay. All right. So. Whoa. Well. It doesn't want to go anywhere, that's for sure. So what I'm gonna do, this is too big, and I'm gonna find a pencil and try to push everything out. Right. Let's see the diameter. Oh, this is perfect. Well, I hope this is gonna work. Oh yeah, yep, it's working perfectly. All right, so just as I hoped. All right, so we have a, like I said, so this is a container that contains the liquid, and then inside there is a heating element, and underneath we have, yeah, so this is a probably lithium ion polymer battery. Now let's see, what does it say? 1 watt hour, 1.1 watt hour, and this is a pressure sensor and LED. So once you inhale through the pipe, what you're doing, you're creating negative pressure, and that negative pressure engages these two wires, and then the heating element is turned on. So that's what's happening here. All right, guys, so that's about it. This is as simple as it gets. It wasn't that simple to open it up, but still. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you once again. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.